So I had no intentions on filming this, but then I figured this is a video that I would want to see as a viewer, so I'm going to film it as a creator. So here's a week in my hair, tape-ins edition. My tape-ins have actually been in for exactly 5 weeks, so a month and a week. Yeah, a month and a week. I have only washed them once since installing them. If you have seen my install video, then you know that I ended up testing positive for COVID, so your girl kind of stopped doing her hair for a couple weeks. I'm thinking I'm gonna try and go to 8 weeks with having these in. But anyways, I'm rambling. I think it's like 10:30 and I've been trying to put myself on a bedtime, which is going to sleep between 10 and 11, so I need to get ready to go to bed. But I want to show you all how I have been wrapping my hair at night. The way I've been wrapping my hair is I just brush it, get any shedded hairs out, get any tangles out, just like that. And then I push it to the back, and then I grab this little spandex cap and I put it on like that, and then the hair that's in the front just goes behind my ears. I do that to keep everything flat here, and then I grab everything here, give it a little twist, pull it at the top, grab my bonnet, and then put it on just like that. And that's how I wear my hair at night. Good morning, everybody. It is day 2. I am unwrapping my hair because I'm about to run to the store real quick. I'm in the middle of making some breakfast. I'm making like a little egg scramble thing, and I realized like eggs, potatoes, hash browns, and all that jazz. Oh, by the way, my bonnet and all that doesn't fall off while I'm asleep. Like I was saying, I decided that I want some spinach with my eggs, and I forgot to get spinach when I went grocery shopping last week. Eyebrows looking great. So I'm about to go run to the store really fast. So I gotta unwrap my hair. Usually if I'm not going anywhere at all, I just keep my hair wrapped the whole day. But since I'm going to the store or whatever, I need to unwrap it. My hair looks really good. Ugh, sorry, scalp's itchy. But yeah, my hair looks good. I'm just gonna wear it like this, as long as there's no tape-in showing in the back. And there is. Is that a tape-in? Alright, we good. No more tape-in showing. Okay. So, hair plans today. I don't think I'll be back today. I am filming a video on how to style your tape-in extensions today though, so I will be manipulating my hair a little bit today. I got some sock in my hair. So yeah, that's the plans for today. I just want to show you my going to the store hair. Even though I'm only gonna be in the store for like 5 minutes. See y'all either later or tomorrow, I don't know. Okay. Hey guys, so I ended up coming out. I'm about to go roller skating, so my hair is in a ponytail. So I've already skated and all that with this hair before with ponytails, so it usually lasts, but I will keep you all updated. Okay, so I'm home, guys. Just want to show you my ponytail after. Yeah, my hair is fine. Didn't sweat out or anything, but it's probably also because it's freezing outside. It was very cold, so that's probably also why, because there was no moisture in the air. So good morning, everybody. I think we're in I don't know, is it day 3? I think. I'm getting ready to go skating again. It is morning time. I think it's like 10 something. But this time I'm going to a rink, so I will be inside, and inside there'll be a little bit more of a chance for me to get my sweat on. But like I said, I've already skated before, indoors and outdoors with these tape-ins. So I'm over here like, let's see if it's gonna last, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna last because I've already tried it out before. So I'm thinking today I'm going to do a little low pony with my little sides out. We gonna do some low ponytail activities. I need to put lotion on my face. My face is dry. This piece just be doing this whole thing, and I'm like, stay behind my ear. But yeah, so I'm wearing my hair today. I can do this for hours and hours and hours. I don't know, I just feel like this is gonna happen. I mean, that's still cute, and then I can do some of this. Okay, I'm gonna let that happen, and I can just do some of that. I think I'm going to apply just a little bit edge control. Not a lot, baby girl, just a little bit. I don't want to put too much because I need my natural hair to last without, especially with it being straight. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put lotion on my face and get going. I started filming this and I didn't show y'all, but if you watch my install video of me putting my tape-ins in, you would know I left a lot of my own hair out at the top. Because my hair is shorter, especially since my haircut, you get a lot of these short hairs that pop out in the ponytail, like at the top. And I don't really like that. Not when it's a lot of it. So what I have been doing is I add about 2 clip-ins. I already have one that I put in right here. You can't see it because I covered it, but I add a couple clip-ins at the top of my head, just to kind of combat that, like the little hairs, just to combat the little hairs, and to also make my ponytail even more full. And these are better length clip-ins that I'm using. Like, yeah, I've been using better length since 2015. Yeah, so I usually do that at the top to help cover up some of those little hairs when I go up in a ponytail. I can wear them too when I'm wearing my hair down. But yeah, so the thing is with the clip-ins, you just take it out after. Obviously I can't take my tape-ins out, but the clip-ins that I put in, I do take them out. I don't sleep with them in. And I don't know, like y'all can see right there, like these short hairs, I usually have way more. There's no way I'd be able to cover all of them, but it helps cover up some of them. So yeah, just doing this ponytail because I'm about to go to the skating rink. Oof. Okay, push it down some. Yeah, like I said, I still get those little flyaways, but there's not as many when I add some clip-ins in. This little part's gonna bother me, but it is what it is. Okay. No, I need to fix that. I'm gonna fix that, and then I'm gonna go out and do my thing. So I'll talk to y'all later. Good morning, y'all. It is the next day. I'm up early, doing laundry, listening to the word. I don't know which one's gonna come out first, the wash video or this week in my hair video. But when I was washing my hair, there was 2 tape-ins that I wanted to come out. So those came out, but then a few more came out while I was during the washing process, washing, blow dry, and straighten process. So What I'm doing right now, because you can reuse your tape ends, because the ones that came out is looking like this right now. I'm just combing them through and just neatly putting them together so I can put them back in this. Well, first put them back in this plastic that they came in, and then back in the little satin duffel bag that they came in as well, just to keep them neat, because like I said, you can reuse them. You just have to purchase new adhesive little tape tabs. If you can see that, it's covered up right now, but you just have to purchase new ones of those. So I'm trying to make sure I keep the hair neat, so that I can reuse it, because I definitely plan to reuse them. So that's what I got going on, y'all. Today, my hair is just like this because I'm cleaning and doing all that. As you can see, these past 2 days of me skating, my hair, like, it looks fine. It still looks fresh and so clean. Look at that. That's the adhesive that, can y'all see that? Hold on. That's the adhesive that you basically replaced. So I gotta figure out how to clean this glue off here. Okay, I gotta figure out how to clean this glue off before you place the new tabs, because I'm sure you don't just put the tab right on top of this. So I don't know what I'm talking. I'm just rambling at this point. So I don't know when I'll see y'all next. I'm trying to decide if this week in my hair video is going to extend into whatever the next thing is that I do. But I plan to, this Thursday will make 7 weeks of these being in. I know I said I'm going to try to go to at least 8 weeks, but if these are still looking good, we probably going to go to 10. So I don't know, y'all. So I am still loving this taping life though. I've already done this many. It's going pretty fast. I don't know why I'm singing Good Burger songs. Okay, let me go, guys.